You gotta be nice, man. Girl, whatever, you know. You gotta be nice.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Till he goes to sleep.
What is good, Y&M crew? It is your boy, YC.
Yeah, Michelle.
And we are back with another little video for you guys. More like a, I guess you could say kind of vlog thing, but at the same time, not really like a full vlog because we're not going out and about. We're just going to be in the house. But today we just want to update you guys a little bit about what's going on around us because obviously, you know, we don't post that often anymore. We try to post at least like 3 to 4 times a week, you know, but with the way I do my videos now, it's no longer just like edit, upload. It's more like I try to put more time and effort into the editing and stuff now on the actual videos, so kind of takes a little bit longer for me, so I try not to post as much. As you guys can see, we do have a new cat. What is the cat's name, baby?
This is Ozzy.
Ozzy.
This is Ozzy.
And why do we have another cat?
Because we had to give Mickey up.
So you guys know the black cat that we had, the black one. I know that you've probably seen him. If you guys watch our vlogs and stuff, there was a couple times where actually like the baby mama dance video, both our cats were sitting on the couch. The black one, what happened? What happened, bae?
He got sick, and long story short, after we took him to the vet and we paid for him to like get the treatment and everything he needs, they wanted more money that we didn't have.
And how much was that?
They wanted $2,000 more than what we had already paid for him to get a surgery. And we didn't have it. Obviously, with another baby on the way, we can't just pull $2,000 out. So we had to surrender him. But whenever I did surrender him, somebody that worked at the vet did take ownership. So he did end up getting his surgery. Either way, I don't know if she took him home or if, you know, they're putting him back up for adoption. But before we got this cat, I did look for Mickey to see if he was back up for adoption, but I couldn't find him. So hopefully he's just in a good home.
But all around, we did get another cat. His name is Ozzy. Right now, our cat Tilly, the girl one, is just going crazy, like hissing at him like crazy. But regardless of that situation, that was that. You know, besides that, how are you going with the pregnancy? How are you feeling?
Good. My hips hurt, you know, but it's getting better and better every day.
And how far along are you now?
I am 19 weeks.
19 weeks, guys. You know, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep coming with the baby videos, the baby update videos, everything like that. But besides that, you know, we're working, we're chilling, you know, just been relaxing at home, doing family things, you know, going out to eat and stuff. If you guys follow us on Instagram, Snap, or anything, we'll have them down in the corners right here. Make sure you go follow us. But other than that, man, you already know what we're getting into. It's about to be something crazy. I've done a video like this before, but I'm actually going to do a video like this again. It's been that time, and as you guys seen from the title of this video, it was time for a change. It was time for a change. So that's
overdue.
It was way overdue, and that is speaking in terms of me. As you guys, you know, are about to watch now, Michelle's about to do something crazy with my hair, and it really just needs to be done because like it's been too long. I had these dreads for so long and they haven't been retwisted in forever, so I feel like, you know, why not just do what I'm about to do next? And
it's gonna look like a whole new person.
It's gonna look like a whole new person. So you guys definitely gotta make sure you stay tuned. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button right now. And do us a favor, if you're a notification gang, definitely make sure you already hit that like button before we even get further into this. And yeah, Y&M crew, let's get it.
I go to war, I'll fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky. I go to war, I'll fight. Damn right. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky. I want that forever love for the moment and all your pain to be broken. See when I look in that smile, all your beauty is spoken. I love the vibes that you carry. I see the sparky emotion, and when I see that you're down, I put the waves to your ocean. I'll be the first to admit, I know I have a lot of flaws, but nothing you couldn't fix. You're gorgeous, from your mind to your heart, straight to your hips. I want that never-ending ride, so baby, get with the script. We're on a different route.
Hey, you want a what?
I want a cappuccino so bad.
Why you want a cappuccino?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I am extremely hungry. Like, I really wanted some hot dog shop earlier, but I was just like, yo, I don't feel like going to get it. I'd just rather sit at home because I was like legit just lazy today, bro. Like, seriously lazy. Babe. Is you ready to make me look, because it's long overdue, babe. I am ugly. I'm so ugly.
Yeah.
My hair's ugly. I've been trying to gain some weight back and everything, and you just keep telling me I'm skinny. Can you accept me for who I am? Wine crew, why does she always try to give people the craziest faces? Like I won't square with her and knock her out.
You won't though.
Yeah, you ain't about that life.
I'm about that life.
You ain't about that life.
I'm about that life.
Yeah, right. Oh. This is what we are doing today. Michelle is gonna hook me up, y'all. She's gonna hook me up with a new hairstyle.
You're a good drink.
Huh?
You're a good drink.
All right. She's gonna hook me up with a new hairstyle. I'm actually going to finally be getting my hair done. Like, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let me let it down real quick. My hair is a wreck. Like, my hair is way overdue. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, look at this. You can't even see like the squares, nothing. So I gotta bring myself back to life, bae. I gotta bring myself back to life. You feel me? Y'all can see like the froze pulling up. Like, look at all this like hair that's just like starting to grow in that needs to be done, like twisted in again.
You have an afro on top of your dreads.
Yeah, I have an afro. You mean not on top of my dreads, because they'd be on like right there. You know?
Oh no, like on top. This is the top of your dreads.
Yeah, but I gotta definitely get it done. I know you guys are about to be like, well, I see you're balding. No, I'm not. That's actually the way I cut my hair whenever it just looks weird. Wait till it gets retwisted. It'll look a lot better. But yeah, anyways, is you ready? You know, not everybody uses this for their dreads, but I'm telling you right now, you guys, if you're not using it, you have to start using it. First off, because I've been using it for a while now. Let me pull it out and let me show you real quick. Right now, I'm about to show you the stuff that actually came in the mail. Let me make sure like my address ain't on there, but that definitely came in the mail, you know, that I'm gonna start using. I don't know if you guys ever heard of SPRAYNLOK. SPRAYNLOK. This right here is the actual like retwisting spray. And then I also got some of the oil. It's like the spray and shine stuff that you put in after you do the retwisting. But basically, I got these two bottles right here. That's the retwisting stuff, and that's the oil stuff that you spray in after you are done. So we got both bottles, man. And after it's done, I'm going to give you guys like his Instagram, you know, his website to actually go purchase. It's on SPRAYNLOK.com. You know, everything will be down in the description, you know, all his social media, so you guys go follow him. I think the bottles are around $20 or less, you know, so definitely make sure you go purchase them. But I definitely want to give you guys a before and after, so make sure you stay tuned, man. And yeah, let's get it. Yeah. Ooh, babe, why are we looking so good right now? Bruh, tell me we're not goals. Like, look at us. Like, look, this is the model flip. Ready? Was that good? Okay. Was that good? Ready, guys? Here we go again. Let's get our hair done. It's like, no, that was gay. Yeah, no offense to nobody. All right, you ready? Hook me up, girl. Hook me up, man.
I quit already.
Why? Yeah, right. Ain't no quitting. Now, you know, a lot of you guys are probably going to be upset, probably saying like, this was clickbait. Oh my gosh, this was clickbait. But in reality, it wasn't. Like, I didn't say anything about getting my hair cut. I know that you guys thought that on the last one I did whenever I got my hair dyed. You guys thought that I was trying to, you know, basically clickbait. But in all reality, I didn't say I was getting my hair cut. It was more like a question, you know. Whenever I say it's time for a change, basically it's time to get these dreads retwisted. How long has it been?
Oh, a long time.
I want to say over 5 or 6 months, right?
I don't even remember, to be honest.
It had to at least be like 5 or 6 months now. So my hair is like way overdue, guys. Way overdue. If you guys are wondering where my daughter is, my daughter actually stayed at her mom's house, her grandma's house. Not her grandma, but her mom, which is Soraya's grandma. She stayed over there. So we can actually do this, because if my daughter was home, my daughter wouldn't even give us a chance to even let us do this with my hair right now. Or she'd be trying to do it herself. How's it looking back there, bae?
It's looking good. Another thing I like about this is the way it smells.
Smells?
Like, it doesn't smell like any type of oil. It doesn't leave your hair like looking greasy.
The smell?
And it doesn't have that, like, it has like a fruity smell, like a citrus smell.
That's what I was saying. Like, what's that cereal with the Fruit Loops? The cereal with the Fruit Loops, guys, that is legit with this like product.
Fruit Loops?
No, I mean with the marshmallows.
Lucky Charms?
Yeah, Lucky Charms. There we go. Okay, perfect. Lucky Charms. So if you guys want to know what this product actually smells like, the SPRAYNLOK, it smells like Lucky Charms cereal. It smells so good.
Yeah, so it doesn't leave your head smelling
just like trash.
That, yeah. And it's not like real thick either, so it's not like it's leaving this big thick residue on your hair.
Stuff, man. Definitely some good stuff. I would advise you guys to definitely go buy it. Like I said, the link to to the website for this stuff will be down in the description, man. Major love to him, you know, for creating this product. If you guys want to go follow him on Instagram, his Instagram is called SPRAYNLOCK. I will have it pop up somewhere on the screen. SPRAYNLOCK. Go follow him on Instagram. You know, he posts up tons of pictures, tons of like photos of like people using it and everything. So you can go check out some reviews too if you guys also want to use this stuff right here. Before you guys say you're only saying that, you know, it's a good product because you're sponsored by it. Actually, I only got a sponsorship for this video. So basically he did send me this stuff. You know, we did contact each other and he sent me this stuff. You know, he watches my video, show support, and I'm going to show obviously a lot of support towards him because you know, he's grinding out doing his thing as well, and you know, shit, making me look good and hooking me up. So you know, major love to you know, him and doing his thing and everything. And if you guys want to go check out some reviews, some more reviews, not even just take it from me, like I said, go to his Instagram. You guys could check it out. I know in the past, like from me using this stuff, I got a lot of like freaking compliments. I'm telling you, like whenever I go to work or whenever I just go out and about for the day, go to the mall, like a lot of people do compliment me on my dreads and everything. So you know, it's not like it's anything bad whatsoever. No, I need to re-dye my dreads, bae.
I know.
Look at that, some of them are turning orange, like a yellowish color.
Next.
What, re-dye them next? Oh yeah. But the best thing that I love about this product right here, let me show you guys. What you doing? You trying to get some too? That cat wants some dreads, bae. Go get this. If you're not getting this and you have dreads, you're wasting your time with any other product. Any other product, you're wasting your time. Go cop this. If you guys didn't know, you're new to the channel, my girlfriend is pregnant. I am praying that I have a son, because if I have a son, just like Michelle said, the first thing that's going to happen is he's going to get his ear pierced. And if we have a son, babe, can we please let him have dreads? Like that's going to be like a little, baby. What do you guys think? If you guys give us more yeses than you give us no, then Michelle has to do it. Is that a thing? Not at first, he don't have to get them, but like over time he'll get them. We'll try it out if we get a lot of yeses to it. Yes?
Maybe.
Or what about at least like 2,000 likes to this video? Then, because you know that's like that's a lot of likes. So if we can reach that, can we maybe?
Maybe.
All right. So if you guys can get us to 2,000 likes on this video, you know,
I want to have hair like what you used to have.
Yeah.
Look at that ab.
Just like the long straight hair.
It wasn't even straight. It was like a little puffy.
Don't try to say my hair was snappy because it wasn't.
No, it was like real puffy. And it was like
yeah, I did have like the biggest fro ever.
Before you got the dreads, I liked your hair.
So now you're saying she don't like my hair, y'all?
No, I'm saying like that's how I would like my son's hair to be.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm hoping we do have a boy, y'all. I'm praying so much. Like I say it every day. Like I'm praying that I have a boy. Oh yeah, and a lot of you guys been posting down in the comments like are you guys gonna have a gender reveal party? I've been noticing the comments like coming like crazy, and yes guys, we are gonna have a baby gender reveal you know, I'm not gonna say real soon, probably within like a month or two, you know, basically whenever we can find out if it's a boy or girl, then around that time obviously we're gonna have a baby gender reveal.
Okay, would you turn your head this way please?
Which way? This way?
Yeah.
All right, but you know, she's gonna get a little bit more of it done, and then I'll be right back, man. You know, we about to look lit. Like it's about to go from like a fro.
I feel like I'm doing surgery back here.
Yeah. Technically, you had to on this, but yeah, we'll be back.
Done.
All right, man, we is done, but let me as we are complete, the dreads is done. You want to show them the back of my head, babe? You want to put on the other thing or no?
No, this is fun.
All right, how's it looking back there?
You have a scalp again.
Amen, amen, brother. Now I'm going to use that heat cycle on the blow dryer real quick. All right, y'all, so the last step, I'm just waiting on, you know, her to come down. Last step is to put in that shine spray now. You know, basically it is good, y'all. Yeah. Oh, see, they finally starting to get along now, babe.
I heard her in there hissing at him, and then she just stopped. And then I look in there, and they're both laying on the bed.
No, they coming down now. There goes one of them. Say, there goes one of them. All right, man. But yeah, here, babe, get it all around. You know, actually, we'll just.
Do you have a clip in there still that's supposed to be there?
Where? No, it's not. I thought I took them all out. Got it? Yeah. All right, so we good. Is that all of them? Hey, gang shit, bro. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Dre gang all day. You just spray it through my hair, basically.
Everywhere?
Yeah, like get it, like pick it up. Yep. It's like just the shine stuff. Not everywhere, just like down towards like, yeah, where you retwist it at. Shake it real good though. I don't know if you showed it. That's that,
this
man.
This smells good too.
I didn't smell it. That's the first time I actually ever. That does smell really good. That's the first time
really good.
I actually ever used that one.
Not coming out in like a spray like the other ones. That's why I'm trying to.
Yeah.
This smells really good though.
Guys, definitely make sure you go get this stuff, man. Everything will be down in the description. The link will be there. The links will be there and everything, man. Go get this stuff. If you got dreads and stuff, or you about to start dreads, I would not recommend anything else besides this stuff right here, man. But yeah, is that it? All right, man, we's good. That's all it was, man. That was just the video for today. That was just like the new little change that I was talking about, you know, actually just getting my hair done because I needed it done like crazy. I never really wear my hair down. Y'all think I should start wearing my hair down more, man? Let me know. But other than that, you know, it's cool. It's gonna be a new day tomorrow. It's actually 12:38 in the morning right now. Michelle, she got off of work around like what? She got home around like 9:40. 9:30, 9:40. But I might do a vlog tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. But either way, this video is going to be dropping technically today for you guys, but you know, like in the morning for me whenever I actually wake up. But I'm gonna try to edit it now, man. So make sure if you are new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you like this video if you was rocking with it or just chilling with us for the day, for the night, whatever you want to call it. Join the Y&M crew right now and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's reach that 400K, y'all. And yeah, I'm really thinking about like, you know, cutting these dreads off. It's like, no, I ain't never gonna do that. But y'all probably thought that though. Before we go, Michelle, you have to do the notification shout outs. Is you ready?
Look at him. Look at him. Oh, look at him.
And the shout outs go to first one.
Bianca Gomez.
Bianca Gomez. What did she
said,
say?
y'all are so cute. Congrats on the PO mailing. That's really exciting. And my favorite ice cream is mint and chip.
Mint and chip. Oh yeah, mint and chip's not bad. I had it maybe one time. Did you ever try that?
Yeah. I have to be in the mood for that though. Like it's like a craving.
For that one. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for supporting the channel and everything. Before we even go with the next shout out, I just want to say anybody that doesn't know, in my last video that I did, I basically explained to you guys that we opened up a PO box. You guys, you know, got to chill with us for the day. So if you guys do want to send us stuff, you know, the PO box information will be down in the description below. Make sure you go send us letters or whatever. We will be doing an unboxing or unlettering, whatever you want to call it soon, you know, reading you guys' stuff. But yeah, Y&M crew, let's go on with the last notification. And who's that go to? Zach Saley. Zach Saley. And what did he say?
He said, I love how you're always positive, man. That's how I know you don't take anything for granted. Keep it at it.
Very true. I'm always positive. You know, you got to bring positivity around you. You bring what you put out. If you put out negativity, you're going to bring in negativity. You put out positivity, you're going to bring in positivity. So you already know what time it is. Y&M crew.
Your hair smells so good.
I know, don't it smells like cereal. Like I just dumped a bowl of cereal on my head.
It smells so good.
Go follow dude, you know, the dude that actually made that, you know, the whole little thing. With the product and stuff that we use tonight, man. You know, everything will be down in the description. Make sure you follow us on both our Instagrams. I will have it down towards the bottom of the screen right here. And yeah, you already know what time it is. Till next video, man. And if you want a chance of getting a next shout out, what do they have to do? First off, they have to make sure they are
subscribed.
Okay. Make sure they do what to this video?
Like the video.
Like the video, yeah, definitely. And then last but not least, they have to turn on what?
Post notifications.
Yeah, you got to turn on the post notifications and then comment when you are done. Make sure you get notified of the next video. It's your boy, YC.
And Michelle.
And we are out.